Hi, third grade. We are checking page 310 in your Go Math books, starting with number 7. The answer to number 7 is 7 photos. If you did not get 7 photos, keep on listening. If you did get 7 photos, please fast forward to number 8. So the first thing you should notice when solving number 7 is that Madison is putting photos on 4 pages, and she has a total of 28 photos. So you are simply going to partition the 28 photos onto 4 pages. So let's do that right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. When you count the number of tally marks or photos I made on each page, we get 7 photos. The answer to number 8 is 5 photos. If you got 5 photos, fast forward now. To get 5 photos, the first thing you need to do is add Joe and Ella's photos together, since the word combine means that we're putting things all together. So when I look at the chart, Joe had 25 photos, Ella had 15. So this is an addition problem. 25 plus 15, 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. Now we are putting those 40 photos on 8 pages. So I am choosing to draw this out. I'm drawing my 8 pages that I will partition the 40 photos on. After I draw my 8 pages and partition the 40 photos, you should see that there are 5 photos on each page. The answer to number 9 is no. When Rebecca makes 6 equal groups and partitions the 28 shells, there are 4 shells in each group, but she also has 4 seashells left over. You can't possibly put these 4 equally into 6 groups. If you need further explanations to this problem, please continue to watch. If not, skip to the last problem to check your answer. All right, let's look at this a little more closely. So if Rebecca is sharing these seashells between 6 people in her family, I know I need to draw 6 equal groups to represent the 6 people. Now let's try to partition these 28 shells into these 6 groups and see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, I'm stopping myself right there. I've partitioned 24 total. Keep in mind that I need to do a total of 28. Now, if I'm paying attention, I should realize that I have 4 more shells to partition, but I have 6 groups. Now, if I try to partition the 4 remaining shells, you'll see that the first 4 groups have 1 more shell than the last 2 groups. So I do not have equal shares here. So it would not be possible for Rebecca to equally share these shells. The answer to number 10 is 3. If you got 3, you may stop the video now and continue to your next activity. If you did not get 3, here's how we find it. If Zaina has 3 bags, 1, 2, 3, and 9 rocks, I need to partition those 9 rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This shows that there are 3 rocks in each bag.